Hello, my name is Gita Amalia Ramdhani from Haka 24E. Here I will explanation my paper about law enforcement. For the first time, I will explain about introduction. According to the Constitution of the Republic of Indonesia, that Indonesia is a state of law. The state of law in question is a state that upholds the rule of law to uphold truth and justice. In general, in every country that adheres to the rule of law, there are three basic principles, namely the supremacy of law, equality before law, and justice. The law, equality before the law, and law enforcement in manner that is not due process of the law. Utrecht argued that the law is set of life intrusion, commands, and prohibition that regulation order in a society and should be obeyed by members of the community concerned. According to Dalio, law is a compulsion regulation which determines human behavior in a community environment. Made by authorization of official bodies, violation of the regulation result in action being taken with certain penalties. Law in the life of society, nation, and state has an important position, Rossi Saleh. State that the legal ideals of the nation and state of Indonesia are the main idea contained in preamble of the 1945 Constitution to build state that is independent, united, sovereign, just, and prosperous. The law is Pancasila. So next, legal certain by everyone can be realized by the establishment of law in the event of a contract event. The applicable law is basically not law to define this is also known as fiat justice at Mandas. Even though the world is collapsing, the law must be upheld. That is what is desired by legal certain. Legal certain is a justifiable protection against rehabilitation action which means that a person will be able to obtain something that is expected in certain circumstances. They expect legal certain because with legal certain society will be more orderly. The law is taxed with a certain legal certainty because it aids from public order. Conversely, community expect benefit in the implementation or enforcement of enforcement must provide benefit of use for the community. Law is not synonymous with justice. The law is general, binding on everyone. Generalization, however, still must be punished where everyone who still must be punished. Without discrimination who still legal certainly is synonymous with legal positivism. Law are identified by positivist judge as the mouthpiece of the law. Montesquieu wrote in his book, In a Republic, it is natural what the Republic is it only natural that the law judge perform their that is in accordance with that is written in the law. The judges of the law being that are not useless and unchangeable both in terms of its enforceable and its violence, enforceability as well as its hardness. With that statement, Legis is in line with Montesquieu's Trias Politica, which state that only what is made by the legislature can make laws, so a rule that is not determined by the legislation is not a rule. Judge and court authority only apply to the law. Law enforcement that prioritization legal certainty will also bring problem if law enforcement against problem that exist in society cannot be resolved based on consistency, and society cannot be resolved based on conciliation and justice. So this is about conclusion. From the above discussion, it can be concluded that there are weaknesses that occur in the law enforcement in Indonesia. For a long time, justice seekers or community have yearned for law enforcement. However, in the current practice of law enforcement, that value of legal certainty is prioritized, prominent compared to the community sense of justice. suggestion, so it can be suggested that in terms or substantial or legislation, for example, by making effort to improve or updating legislation that is no longer in accordance with the value that exist in society, for example, ratification of the criminal code bill, amending the constitution by the legislature, judicial review of law with the 1945 Constitution of the Republic of Indonesia at the Constitution Court of Judicial Review of Regulation under the law with the law at the Supreme Court. Improvement in terms of structure or law enforcement apparatus and approach needed in the formation of character building and regulation and a strong mentally and are able to carry out the mandate according to the sense of justice in society. In improving the legal culture in society, if the substance and structure are already running well, then the legal culture will follow by itself. Has the explanation in this paper, hopefully it can add insight and be useful reading. So this is my explanation about my paper, law enforcement. Thank you.